Andito na nga tayo sa OB-GYN Clinic at kinakabahan ako dito kasi first time ko talaga bumuka ka sa harap ng doktor. Hindi ko alam na ganito pala yung pakiramdam ng manganganak, char. So, tara pakinggan na lang natin yung sasabihin ng doktor sa
This is
akin.
uterus and you have myoma. Do you know myoma?
Yes.
Yeah. This is myoma. The size is very small. Myoma size is about. But it will be growing. So you
Okay.
check yearly check. This size is about 2 centimeter. Very small size.
Okay.
Yeah. And another problem is in endometrium. This area is endometrium. You have a small mass in here. Probably polyp. Probably. It's definitely myoma, but it's probably polyp, endometrial polyp. Check yearly or 6 months interval.
6 months.
Okay. If you find it bleeding,
Yes.
or you check. But if not any symptom, you check 6 months.
How about
This
the
area.
myoma?
Myoma is not problem, but it is relatively important. Then myoma. This is
How can
right.
I treat that one?
Yeah. If it introduce a small cannula
Yes.
and suction.
Oh.
Very easy process. Not it's cheap and easy process.
How
But this time
It's
you
not
cannot.
recommendable.
Check out. And then ovary, right ovary is normal. It's right ovary is normal, and left ovary is normal. I prescribe Yagil, and sampling, blood sampling from a study. I give you this picture.
Okay.
Ayun nga, tapos niya na ako i-check at need ko na magpalit. So, ganito pala talaga ang pakiramdam ng malaman mo na akala mo normal lang lahat. Yun pala, may something na. Kaya ang payo ko dyan sa mga may nararamdaman na kahit paunti-unti, huwag nyo nang patagalin, pacheck na agad.